guys, what is up? It is me, Straven, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to cover a blemish just like this, a pimple, just like even any redness that you have. So I'm gonna show you guys how to cover these little suckers up. I had started breaking out recently this past like month, and it kind of went down for a little bit, but now it's kind of coming back. So I don't know what's going on with this. I wash my face every day, almost twice a day, but I like to do twice a day because it dries my skin out. I wash my skin earlier when I woke up, and my skin is super dry. So I think for me, I only should be washing it once a day. But I don't wash it twice a day too often. So I think we should start up with a little bit of my skincare first to get my face nice and moisturized. So I'm gonna be using the serums from Good Molecules, and this one's the hyaluronic acid serum, and this one's the niacinamide serum. The hyaluronic acid serum draws moisture into the skin, which is good for my dry skin, so this will help. And this other serum helps with skin texture, so I think it'll hopefully help with the little blemishes I have down here. I'm gonna apply the skin texture one first, the niacinamide serum first, because it's more of a thicker consistency. The other one's a little bit more runny, so I like to apply this one first. There, and a little bit on my forehead. And then of course the hyaluronic acid serum. I really like to use this. I use this like pretty much almost every day, especially right before doing makeup. It really helps my skin stay nice and hydrated. I love these two serums a lot, and I definitely do recommend them, honestly. They're from Good Molecules, so you guys need to check them out. They had actually sent them to me a couple months ago, maybe like last year before the end of the year. And I honestly didn't know about the brand when they first reached out to me. And I was like, sure, I'll totally try your stuff. And I tried it, and I was like, I'm in love. And also I found out that their stuff's like super affordable. Like I think the serums are like $12 to $15. I think the moisturizer might be $14, the one I'm going to use right now. But they have a lot of good stuff. And I also use their face wash like every single day, and I love their face wash. And they have their pineapple exfoliating powder, which is actually really good too. I have like a lot of stuff in them, honestly. Like most of my skincare is literally just Good Molecules, so I totally recommend them. Like based on my experiences with the product so far, I love them so much. So yeah. Next, I'm gonna be using the Good Molecules silicone free primary moisturizer. This is one of my favorite products as well. I don't know where the cap to this one went, but whatever, I guess. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit on skin. Let's put it in my cheeks, my nose, my chin, and on my forehead. I know you're not really supposed to moisturize like pimples and stuff, but I mean, I feel like they could use a little moisturize because I don't want them to get too dry where they start just like getting all gross and like itchy, I guess. So I moisturize them sometimes. I'm trying to take care of my skin. I don't pop them. I mean, they're not bad. They were way worse when they first popped up. Like they were terrible, but I never touched them really. I just kind of let them run its course, you know. Okay, so next, for the actual part of covering the blemishes, whatever you have on your face, any redness, pimples, whatever, this will help. So I'm going to be using a green concealer. I just have it in this magnetic palette. It's right here. It does have glitter in it, so ignore that. I just don't even touch that part. It's just, I don't know how it even got mixed up in there. But I mean, there's glitter in this palette, so yeah. I just get like a little bit in my finger. I can add more if I want to, but maybe this much might be fine. I might need a little more. And let me zoom you guys in. So what I'm doing, I'm applying it on and kind of blending it out onto my skin. And if I need to apply more, I will apply more. Okay, so I think this is good enough. It may look a little crazy, but we'll cover it up with some concealer and foundation. I mean, obviously, like I don't really need to cover this out when I go out because I wear a mask. So I guess that's a plus, a positive of wearing a mask. I would only like do this if like I'm gonna take pictures that day, or if I'm filming a video, or if I'm going out anywhere important. But really, I mean, now I don't have to wear a mask, so it doesn't matter anymore. So, but back then, or like I would do that. But I mean, it's not like blemishes or pimples are like bad. I mean, yeah, sure, they can look ugly at times, but I mean, they're not that bad. I mean, they're natural, you know. So I'm using the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. I really like this concealer. That has really good coverage. And I'm gonna dot some on the blemishes directly and then pat it out. Okay, so there's that. It still does look a little bit green, so I'm gonna be adding some foundation over it. Hopefully it'll cover it. Hopefully I didn't add too much green. That can happen. But I guess like being an artist and knowing the color wheel, I know that red, no red, I know that green cancels out red because they're complementary colors, so I guess that helps with my makeup. But I'm gonna be adding a little bit of foundation on my chin to help cover that up. And honestly, this is probably the most makeup I'll wear on my face today. The most layers. I don't cake all my makeup on like this, but usually in like little spots like this I will. Apply some of the Anastasia Beverly Hills loose setting powder in vanilla to kind of set that, cover it. It does still look a little bit green. I might apply too much green concealer, but oh my god. Okay, so I find it best to apply powder with the Beauty Blender for this because I feel like with the brush it took off some of my foundation, so I had to reapply some of that off camera, and I feel like just lightly patting it on the spot with powder helps, so just really lightly, just like that. And you see? You don't even know it's there anymore, it's like, okay. I mean, you can kind of see the bumps like in certain lightings or the shadows. You're never going to be able to fully cover a pimple, let's be real. Also, you should never really cover a pimple because like you want to let it breathe, you want to let it heal, so it's not that great to cover one up, but I mean, sometimes you just have to, like if it's a picture day or if you're going out on a date or you have like a wedding or I don't know, something like that. Like, I mean, pre COVID, but maybe in the future this might be useful for you, or even just if you're just simply taking pictures around your house or whatever and you just want to cover up a blemish, then this will totally help. Okay, so next I'm going to do the rest of my makeup off camera really quick. I'm gonna apply some foundation and blush and a little bit of contour, and I'll be right back to you guys. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned something new from it. I think I did pretty good covering it. I mean, obviously you can still see it a little bit, especially if you like zoom in closer. You can still kind of see it, kind of see a little build-up of product around the little pimples, I guess. Let me zoom in and show you guys. You can kind of see it's more dry. There's a lot of product build-up on it. That's probably the area with the most like makeup on my face right now. Like, I wear very, very light foundation. If you guys haven't watched my previous videos and how I apply foundation and whatever, like recently, I don't wear a ton. That's why my face looks more like natural, more dewier, and it's also like maybe clear from wearing less makeup. Also, it's probably maybe just clear from like cutting fast food out of my diet, even though I did have fast food a day, but I haven't had fast food in a while, so I just got tired of cooking, so I had to get everything really quick. But yeah, I've been avoiding going out. That's why I haven't been eating fast food. Also, like, I needed to cut out fast food anyways because I was eating it a lot. At least like in the middle of quarantine. So, but this isn't too bad. I'm pretty sure there's probably better videos out there that cover it better. But I mean, also like I'm human, so I can't 100% cover it. And also, like, even then, even if you do like successfully cover it 100%. You're gonna see in certain lighting, especially like lighting from like above, it's gonna cast shadows in your face, and you're gonna see that the harsh shadows from the pimples that they cast onto your face. So people always tell me I have really clear skin. I'm like, no, I don't. Like, I don't always have clear skin. Like, no one believes me that I get breakouts, but I do. This video is proof. And trust me, it was worse like earlier this month. It was way worse, trust me. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook for more awesome content, especially on Instagram. I post more content on there, so yeah. Also, I do have TikTok. It's probably down in my description box down below. Hopefully I'm gonna put it on there, but I made it like kind of beginning quarantine, so yeah. Also, these beautiful earrings are from these Hollow Hills. I talked about them in one of my previous videos. I'll leave a link down to the website down below in my description box because these are so beautiful and I just love wearing these. So yeah, so that's it for today's video. So I hope you guys are staying safe out there and wearing your mask, sanitizing often. Also, hope you guys are signing petitions for the Black Lives Matter movement. You guys better be doing that. Maybe I'll try to include some in my description box if I remember. Maybe leave some in the comments if you guys get to the end of this video and I don't have any in my description box. Or if you just want to add some that you think are important, then totally do that. So yeah, so I hope you guys are staying safe and having a wonderful day. Bye guys!